The deadly Rum Creek fire size is approximately 11,000 acres burned in northern Josephine County, Oregon, and is only 1% contained. Logan Taylor, a 25-year-old talent man, died August 18th when a tree hit him while fighting the fire. Crews are constructing a series of direct and indirect control lines on the west side of the fire. Firefighters are building primary containment lines to protect the community of Galice. The fire continues to flank east and west below Grave Creek, and crews are working to connect a series of control lines between Stratton Creek and Grave Creek Road.